Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your browsing history on your Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Edge web browser, and you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser. This is Settings, and go ahead and select History. Select the three-dotted icon up here where it says More Options now, and select Clear Browsing Data. Now you would set the time interval for how far back you want to delete your history, and then you would select Clear Now. And once you're done with that, you would restart your browser, and that would be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.